QR codes can completely transform how you manage inventory, and Unicode is one of the tools that lets you do that. But is it the best option? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Unicode for inventory management and whether it's the right choice or if there's a better alternative with an exclusive extended free trial just for our viewers. The first thing, creating inventory QR codes in Unicode is pretty simple. You generate QR codes for products, stock locations, or even batch numbers. The platform lets you customize them, track scans, and update the destination URL without reprinting. That's useful, but there's a catch if you're managing a large inventory. Manually updating QR codes can get overwhelming since Unicode isn't designed specifically for warehouse-level inventory tracking. Next thing, tracking and managing inventory. Unicode gives you scan analytics, so you know when and where a product was checked. That's helpful for auditing, but it lacks real-time stock level adjustments. If you're looking for a system that automatically updates inventory when an item is scanned in or out, you'll need to integrate it with another tool, something not all businesses want to deal with. The third thing, integration with existing systems. Unicode supports Zapier and API integrations, so you can connect it to inventory management software like Zoho or QuickBooks. But here's the issue, it's not an inventory management system itself. If you need full-scale inventory automation, Unicode feels more like a QR code generator with tracking features than a complete solution. The fourth thing, pricing and scalability. Unicode is great for small to medium businesses, but as your inventory grows, costs can add up. Their paid plans give more analytics and customization, but if you need advanced inventory tracking, you're likely paying for additional third-party software on top of Unicode's subscription. So, should you use Unicode for inventory management? If you just need basic tracking and QR code generation, it works. But if you want something that automatically updates stock, reduces human error, and integrates seamlessly with inventory software without needing extra integrations, there are better alternatives. And here's the best part, we've secured an exclusive extended free trial for the best alternatives that offer better inventory tracking, automation, and real-time stock updates. Just check the links in the description to get the best deal available right now.